Hello students, my name is Arvind Rai from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar and I am a subject teacher of Social Studies. In this video, we are going to discuss our fourth chapter of third class which is Villages of India. In our previous video, we have discussed what is village, what are the learning outcomes, means after the completion of the chapter, what we are going to learn about Indian villages. Students, before starting the chapter or topic, I may have your concern regarding COVID-19 cases as they are rising day by day. So I request you all to follow the precautions and guidelines instructed by the government and don't be panic, don't take stress, eat healthy and be healthy. Now come to the topic, that is villages of India, and today we are going to discuss difference between a village and a city. We have some more points, but I don't have space on the green board. I will provide you just after you will complete this. What is difference between a village and a city? I have mentioned some points. You can see from this video and you can write it in your notebook. First one, when we are talking about village, I have mentioned in two parts. First one is village, second one is city. Now, as we see on the green board, as we are talking about villages, it is small in size. As compared to city, village is small in size and city is large in size. Secondly, in villages we have fewer houses and in city we have many houses and buildings. On third point, we have fewer people live here, that is villages. In villages we have a small quantity of people living in villages as compared to cities where millions of people live here. Okay? In cities we have millions of people living there in the city. After that, fourth point is not much traffic. As we all know, in villages we don't have much facilities of transportation, so we don't have much traffic in villages, and as compared to the cities, we have heavy traffic in cities because we have lots of transportation means of transportation. We have very much quantity we have in cities. That's why we have heavy traffic in cities. For example, plenty of buses, cars, motorcycles. Okay? Now, in villages, we have very few shops, schools and hospitals. In villages, we have very few shops, schools and hospitals. As we all know that in villages we have less population as compared to cities. So on a small land where we have a small quantity of population residing in villages, so we also have small facilities in each aspects of their life. So on the basis of this, we have fewer shops, schools and hospitals. Means we have in less quantity as compared to cities. When we talk about cities, many shops, schools and hospitals, because they have to maintain their facilities regarding millions of people who are living in the cities. So they will have to acquire a vast area in every aspect of life. Okay, so in cities we have many shops, many schools and many hospitals to give the facility to each and every person who are living in the city. That's why we have more shops as compared to villages, more schools as compared to villages, and more hospitals as compared to villages. So these are the points, some points in the difference between a village and a city. When you are going to complete this, I am going to provide some more points which is left. I am going to write on the green board and you can mention that also in your notebook. First you can note all these points in your notebook. Okay. Now students, look at the points. When we are talking about difference between a village and a city, we have some more points. Villages are quieter as compared to cities. So first point, sorry, not first point. After the points which we have mentioned just now, we are talking about some more points. Then in that section, firstly we have quieter. Villages are quieter as compared to cities which are noisier. Okay? Because what is the reason behind being quieter? Because villages have less population and less means of transportation. Okay? So this is the main reason behind why villages are quieter and cities are noisier. Because in cities we have millions of population, many means of transport, okay, plenty of vehicles we have in cities. That's why cities are noisier as villages are quieter. Secondly, in villages we get cleaner air as compared to cities. Okay, in villages we get cleaner air, in cities more polluted air. The air of cities are very much polluted as compared to villages. Lots of open space and farmland. When we talk about open space in villages as compared to cities, so we can say that in villages we have lots of open space and farmland. When we talk about cities, then there we have less open space and farmland, because we have very much dense population in cities, so there is no or very minimum open space or space left for agriculture. It is less in size. After that, when we talk about the occupation, in villages agriculture is the main occupation. Okay, agriculture is the main occupation in villages, because as we all know, many people, almost 70% of population of India resides in villages. They live in villages and their main occupation is agriculture. Okay. After that, when we talk about occupations of people of cities, then we can say many different occupations. In cities they have many different occupations, because we know that there is less open space and farmland. Means there they don't have much farmland area there where they can practice agriculture. So they are supposed to do different types of occupation to earn money. For example, private or government services. Okay, many industries are there in which they work. Okay, many types of schools. So these are the different occupations they are doing in, they are practicing in cities as compared to villages. Okay, so you can mention all these points in a notebook, that what are the main differences between village and city. We have discussed the points, and you can go through the points, you can mention these points in your notebook. Okay, you can see on the green board. Okay, after seeing on the green board, you can mention these points in your notebook, and you are supposed to revise this. You are supposed to analyze each and every point what we are discussing in this video regarding differences between villages and cities. Okay.